When someone you trusted twists your words, cast you as the villain, what do? When a person you once cared for launch a full-scale attack on your reputation, trying to tarnish your name and your character, how do you respond? Listen carefully. This is more than just an attack. It is a battle for your truth, a war against manipulation, deceit, and calculated lies. If you've ever been a target of a narcissist smear campaign, you know what the sting of a betrayer is. The sheer frustration of watching someone rewrite your reality to suit their narrative. But here's the truth. You do not have to be a victim of their deception. Yes, you don't have to be. A narcissist excels at flipping the script. They rewrite history, distort facts, and position themselves as the victim while painting you as the villain. But their tactics only succeed if you let them. You hold more power than you realize. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to reclaim your power back. So before we move forward, let us understand what a smear campaign is. That is, first, let's dissect the strategy. What is a smear campaign? It is a calculated, malicious effort to ruin your reputation, manipulate perceptions, and isolate you from those who might stand by your side. Narcissists will weave a web of half-truth, exaggeration, and outright lies, all to maintain control. When they feel threatened, whether by your boundaries, your departure, or your exposure of their nature, they retaliate, and their most potent weapon is your reputation. Yes, your reputation. They play the victim, twist the stories to make it seem as if they were wrong. They highlight your flaws while conveniently concealing their own toxic behavior. Their goal is simple: isolate you, discredit you, and make you question your own reality. But here is what you need to remember. Their lies says more about them than they will ever do about you. A smear campaign is a desperate attempt to maintain power. It is built on a fragile foundation of deceit, and that foundation will crumble. Yes, along the line, it's going to crumble. So how do you withstand the attack? How do you fight back without losing yourself in the chaos? Step 1, don't engage in their game. The first and most crucial step, do not take the bait. Narcissists thrive on conflict. They feed on your reaction. The angrier, the more defensive or more emotional you become, the more ammunition they have over you. Understanding this, they want you to react. They want you to lash out because it fuels their narrative. If you engage, they will twist your words, distort your emotion, and make you appear irrational. Instead, stay composed. Maintain your silence strategically. Silence can be defining sometimes. It leaves them grasping for more, scrambling to provoke a response. When you refuse to engage, you strip them of their power. Yes. Step 2, stand in your truth. This is not about staying silent forever. No. You must stand firm in your truth, but do so with dignity. Do not play their games. Do not descend to their level. Your truth spoken with integrity will outlast their falsehood. Not everyone will believe you immediately, and that's okay. Focus on those who matter. Speak your truth to those who are open to hearing it. Action will always speak louder than words. Over time, as the narcissist web of lie unravel, people will see the inconsistency. They will recognize the manipulation and understand your truth. The narcissist smear campaign is built on quicksand. Your truth is built on solid rock. Step 3, document everything. What do I say? Document everything possible. A narcissist's greatest weapon is distortion and lies. But facts do not lie. Keep record of text, email, social media posts, audio conversation, anything that exposes their true behavior. This is not about revenge. It is about self-protection. If their smear campaign escalates to a legal action, workplace consequence, or community backlash, having evidence will be your safeguard. Keep a paper trail. Document every interaction. When the time comes, the truth will be undeniable. Step 4, build a fortress of support. One of the narcissist's main objectives is to isolate you. They want to turn others against you, leaving you defenseless. Do not let them succeed in this. Surround yourself with people who knows your character, those who have seen your heart and understand your truth. A strong support network will remind you of who you are when the lies try to make you doubt yourself. Talk to a trusted friend, family, or a therapist who can validate your experience. Sometimes hearing "I believe you" is enough to keep you standing tall. Real friends will see through the narcissist manipulation. They will not be swayed by their lies. Lean on those true friends. Draw strength from them. You are not alone in this fight. Step 5. Redirect your energy towards growth. Yes, growth is very important. Here is where you need to take your power back entirely. Stop focusing on proving them wrong and start focusing on becoming your best self. A narcissist wants to see you broken, bitter, and consumed by their smear campaign. But what if you choose peace over chaos? What if you use this pain as fuel for your own growth? Do not waste your time battling with every lie said against you. Instead, pour that energy into building your future. Invest in mental, emotional, and physical well-being. Chase your goal. Strengthen your confidence. Live a life that reflects the truth, your integrity, and your resilience. People will notice the more you thrive, the more the narcissist lies lose their grip on you. Your happiness, your success, and your peace will be the ultimate response to a narcissist. Step 6. Walk away with wisdom. Some battles are not meant to be fought at all. Some fights are won simply by refusing to participate in the fight. A narcissist thrives on engagement. The more you fight, the more they win. Sometimes the greatest act of strength is to walk away. Remove yourself and walk away. This is not a surrender. No, this is wisdom. You are choosing peace over toxicity, growth over destruction, truth over lies. You do not owe anyone a constant defense of character. No. Block them if necessary. Cut tie unapologetically. Protect your energy without guilt. No. You are not responsible for convincing others of your worth. No. Your power is in your response. You get it? Your power is in how you respond to their lies. And at the end of the day, a smear campaign is not a reflection of you. It's a reflection of them. Their lies do not define you. Their attack do not break you. How you respond to this storm will shape your future. Will you let them drag you into their chaos, or will you rise above it? Will you allow their deception to consume you, or will you stand unshaken in your truth? You are stronger than you think. You are wiser than you believe, and you will outlast their lies. Believe me, you will outlast their lies. So stand tall, speak your truth when necessary, walk away when it is wise to do so. Surround yourself with those who believe in you, and most importantly, never let a narcissist's lies dim the light of who you truly are. Don't let their lies take away your light, because at the end of it all, one truth remains, which is your truth. Your truth will outlast their entire lies. Always. Thank you.